Welcome to part 57 of Daily English. Today's situation. Travel and transportation using GPS. Can you help me find this address? Example. Can you help me find this address on the map? Please enter the destination. Example. Please enter the destination into the GPS. Turn left at the next intersection. Example. Turn left at the next intersection, then go straight. Turn right at the traffic light. Example. Turn right at the traffic light and continue for 1 kilometer. Go straight for 2 kilometers. Example. Go straight for 2 kilometers, then turn left. You've arrived at your destination. Example. You've arrived at your destination. Please park safely. The road is closed. Example. The road is closed. Please take another route. Let's take another route. Example. Let's take another route to avoid traffic. We have arrived. Example. We have arrived safely. Thank you. Mini conversation. Driver, can you enter the destination into the GPS? Passenger, sure. Done. Driver, what does it say? Passenger, turn right at the traffic light, then go straight for 2 kilometers. Driver, great. Let's follow the GPS. Daily tip. GPS apps often use simple directions like turn left, turn right, go straight, and you've arrived. Learning these expressions will help you travel confidently anywhere. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're driving to a new place using GPS. Tell your friend the destination, follow the directions, and describe when you arrive using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 58. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.